Who is the father of mathematics? Answer: Archimedes. Who discovered zero? Answer: Aryabhatta. When is Pi Day celebrated around the world? Answer: March 14. The value of pi. Answer: 3.14159. Value of cos 360 degree. Answer: 1. Scientist who was born on Pi Day. Answer: Albert Einstein. Father of algebra. Answer: Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. Persian mathematician. Who discovered logarithms and the decimal point? Answer: John Napier.